Okay, now we are going to use to set up the gear with 1 million. This is a medium point. For Formula 1, you will start from 500k up to 1 million on a punk car with hot motors like 4.5, 5.5 and 2S. You're going to use from 1 million up to 2.5 million, sorry. Okay, once again, we'll start in the usual way. We will put, and we will take it's important. The diff is the gear diff is enclosed, but it's not sealed. So don't put too much grease. Everything which is not strictly necessary will be released from the gear. Okay, that's step one. Okay, now we have our gear. You can hear the grease sticking on the teeth, and you can feel by hand that you need quite a good force to turn it. Of course, as I said before, the more the gear spin, the warmer the grease will become, and so it will need less torque to turn, but it's still quite stiff. As usual, I set the gear in a mechanical way I like it. So there is no play, no axle play, but it's not pushing the gear against the gear. But from time to time this cannot be enough. So before going to the putty, I will show you what happens when you give some more mechanical pressure on the gear. Boy, it's quite stiff to turn. Okay, you can see it. Good Lord. Okay, it's just quite less than 1/4 of turn, and again it's becoming harder, and you can feel still quite free. Okay, we go now another quarter. Whoa. This is now hard in both ways. You are using hard grease, and now it's hard in the mechanical sense, the mechanical way. It's quite stiff, and if you are going to use this on 235 4.5 2S punk car, it's probably the best setting, but it's quite stiff. You can feel it, you can see it. And it's just once you have reached the mechanical point in which the gear is free to spin without any actual play, at this point, really, if you want to play with the mechanical stiffness, you have to be quite careful and go really a quarter of turn each time. There is no half turn. It's quite matter of feeling on your on the tip of your fingers. Whoa! But you see it. It's smooth. It's hard. It's smooth, and will be plenty of traction. This is definitely a solution for punker. Whoa! At least when we drive. When I say punker, I mean 235 punker driving in an open 1/8 circuit, as we do in Europe most of the time, with 3.5 or 4.5 or 5.5 2S motor. This is the kind of solution we want to have.